How to download and update Realtek SD audio driver on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can download and update Realtek SD audio driver on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. You can update the driver via Device Manager in your Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to place your Windows and X key in your keyboard. From here, select the Device Manager. Once you're under the Device Manager, you have to expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller. So search for that and here it is expanded up. After that, here search for Realtek audio driver. After that, you have to right click on Realtek high definition audio if you can find it here. Then you have to click on update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers and restart your PC if prompted. But if you have not installed the latest version or if you have not included the audio manager, you may not find this method suitable for you. Now, the second option to download the latest driver is to go to the Realtek website. You can close this device manager. Then you have to open up a browser. And on this browser, now you have to go to realtek.com. So once you're under the realtek.com, navigate to three-line icon at the top left, click on it, head towards the downloads. From here, go to computer peripheral ICs, and here scroll down, click on this drop down. Here select PC audio codecs. Scroll down, again click on this drop down, head towards the high definition audio codecs. So from here, you could select one of the version, click on the software. And here scroll down a bit and then choose the driver version for your OS. Then you have to click on this download icon on your left hand side. Now once downloaded, you have to double click on the .exe file to install. So head over to your downloads on your browser, click on the .exe file, then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After that, restart your device. So in this way, you can download the latest driver from the Realtek website that includes Audio Manager. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.